Hey, this is Andrew Brown. I'm going to have to read this really slowly because this one is a tongue twister. AWS Glue Data Catalog is a fully managed Apache Hive Metastore compatible catalog service. Wow, that was hard to say. That makes it easy for customers to store, annotate, and share metadata about their data. Data catalog is serverless, so it's pay what you use. AWS Glue Data Catalog integrates with S3, RDS, Redshift, Athena, AWS Glue ETL, Amazon EMR. And the concept of when you're using AWS Glue Data Catalog, you'll end up creating a database and you'll also create tables. Tables is the metadata definition that represents your data, including its schema. A table can be used as a source or target in a job definition. So when you are creating job ETLs, often you will like to utilize AWS Glue Data Catalog, but it's utilized by other services like AWS Lakehouse. I think that's the name of the service, or Data Lake. I always forget. But you'll see it in a variety of different services that will leverage it. Underneath, there is a subservice called AWS Glue Crawler, which is utilized for quickly creating glue tables, since they are kind of a pain to create. There are two formats for these types of tables. The first is the standard AWS Glue table. This is the one that was around forever. This is where you can choose from a variety of different data formats with a variety of different source data, and now they have support for Apache Iceberg Table. That's why we were talking about Apache Iceberg Tables earlier, because this is a format that you can utilize for AWS Glue Data Catalog. But there you go.